The final activity is to experience the breath. The purpose of this activity is to experience all processes and changes in state. This is the most important activity in meditation. This is the activity that fosters insight. This activity implicitly leads to knowing, shaping, and freeing the mind. The breath is the origin from which we navigate all coordinates of the ego. Experiencing the breath is a process of exploring the nature of change. You start by noting the breath. However, soon enough your mind will wander. Your mind will be experiencing either a problem or a distraction. This is all natural and part of the process. When you experience problems or distractions, you are now orbiting your ego. At this point, you are starting to know the mind. It is now critical that you apply the attitude tools discussed earlier. At this point, expect nothing. Enjoy yourself. Pace yourself. Accept yourself. Let go. Be gentle. Experience everything and note the similarities. Applying this attitude will shape the mind. As you liberally apply the attitude tools repeatedly, you are beginning to free the mind and dissolve those problems and distractions. This activity has 3 key steps. The first step is to repeat noting the breathing process. This step has 11 sub-steps. First, start noting the inhalation of each breath. Then note the duration of that inhalation, its intensity, its texture, and finally, note the end of that inhalation. Now note the pause between the inhalation and the exhalation. Then note the start of that exhalation. Note its duration, its intensity, its texture, and finally, the end of that exhalation. Step 2 is to note the problems that took the mind away from the breath. Step 3, note the distraction that took the mind away from the breath.